In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Slack notifications. Let's get you set up so you never miss an important message again. First, open your browser and head to slack.com. If you're using the Slack desktop app instead of the browser, that's perfectly fine. The steps are the same. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so the settings you change apply where you need them. Once Slack is open, look to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile, avatar, or initials. Click that profile icon to open a small menu. This menu is where you access personal settings that control how Slack behaves just for you, regardless of which channel you're in. From that menu, click Preferences. This opens a dedicated settings window with categories along the side. Preferences is where Slack lets you fine-tune your experience without affecting anyone else in your workspace. Inside Preferences, go to the Notifications section. This is where Slack controls when and how you get alerted. You'll find a panel labeled How to Notify You. This section is designed to make sure you get notices in the places you care about, whether you're at your desk or on the go. Now, enable desktop and mobile notifications. For desktop, turn on notifications so alerts can appear on your computer. When this is enabled, you'll typically see banners or system alerts for new direct messages, mentions, or whatever level of activity you choose. If you want more or fewer alerts later, you can revisit this area and adjust your choices without changing the overall setting. Next, enable mobile notifications. This ensures Slack can notify you on your phone or tablet when you're away from your computer. If you prefer to receive mobile alerts only when you're inactive on desktop, look for the option that delays mobile notifications until you've been idle. That way you won't get duplicate alerts when you're actively working. After enabling both desktop and mobile notifications, take a moment to confirm you're satisfied with how Slack will notify you. You can keep Slack open for a moment and ask a teammate to send a direct message so you can see the alert arrive on your desktop and, if applicable, your mobile device. If you don't see anything, double check that your device isn't muted and that system level notifications are allowed for Slack. That's all it takes. You've opened Slack, accessed your profile, entered preferences, navigated to how to notify you, and enabled desktop and mobile notifications so you stay informed wherever you are. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more responsive Slack experience.